we enjoyed our Bosphorus cruise. We had some lovely views and it was much more relaxing than driving around in Istanbul traffic. There was narration in several languages. We were picked up from our hotel and communication about the pickup was very good. Sail through the iconic Bosphorus Strait and along the historic Golden Horn on this unforgettable sightseeing cruise, showcasing Istanbul's most famous landmarks. Enjoy a refreshing perspective of the city as you glide past Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, Maiden's Tower, and Galata Tower, all while listening to fascinating stories via the onboard audio guide. Meet your host just behind Hagia Sophia, and take a short walk to the nearby pier. Step aboard and begin your journey along the Golden Horn, known as the world's largest natural harbor. From there, continue your cruise through the magnificent Bosphorus Strait, which forms the natural boundary between Europe and Asia. As you sail along the European shoreline, admire the stunning Bosphorus coastline dotted with charming neighborhoods, each offering its own unique character and beauty. Pass by some of Istanbul's most iconic waterfront landmarks, including Dolmabahce Palace, Ortaköy Mosque, and the impressive Bosphorus Bridge.